Hello, I'm Karen, and if you've seen my shorts video, you know I was super excited about receiving my parcel. Now I'm much more settled. I'm actually going to read you a little bit so when you actually get your email from YouTube themselves, they say, "Hi, you did it. Your hard work paid off and you're now eligible for a creator award. Reaching this milestone is something to be proud of. It's no easy feat." And it carries on. You get other little bits which tells you about your awards going to be polished and customized, and then it tells you little steps to do, and one of them is to do an unboxing video and actually share it. So today is the unboxing video. I've already undone the little bit that's underneath. There's actually 3 pieces of tape, so I'm just going to just undo it. I'm kind of scared. So they ask you, how do you actually celebrate? So I will share that as well, but here goes. Is this actually going to undo? Okay, we obviously only get one go at this, and clearly I can't get this little bit. Oh, there we go, I've got that bit open. It should skim past my camera. Not quite. Let's just move it a little bit. Okay, so there we go. We can now see inside. So we've got some super dry absorbent thing to keep it nice. We've got the ooh, that feels lovely. It's just like a nice piece of protective foam. And we have the little message which says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award is damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at the YouTube Creator Society Awards." And we've got a lovely little logo on there, so thank you for packing that, Rick. And then we have a beautiful letter. Oh, this paper, the quality of this is absolutely stunning. So it says, "Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do." Do you know, I could actually share as well. My son actually made me like a drawn version of a YouTube award when I got to my first 10,000. So that was so lovely. Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. I'm sorry, I'm starting to feel a bit emotional now. We know that you may have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Sorry, I can barely see now, I've got tears in my eyes. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO, YouTube. Oh, thank you. That's a beautiful letter. I really appreciate that. And thank you, YouTube. So here it is. Oh my goodness. There it is, presented to Karen's channel for passing 100,000 subscribers. I don't know if I can get it out of the box. Okay. Oh gosh, it's quite heavy. I'm sorry, I'm just going to try and get the plastic wrapper off just so that we can just see a little bit better. I know it's got a mirror on it and I'm conscious of little things that it might be showing, but look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so amazing. Oh, thank you, YouTube. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm sorry, I'm just getting really emotional right now. It's just super cool. Thank you. Yep, so that's the actual award, so thank you for that. I'm just going to put it back in its box in a minute, and if I can just pull the lid back down. I don't know if I can actually do that because of my camera angle. There we go. YouTube asked me to share as well how I'm celebrating, so just so that you know how I've celebrated, because I'm a crocheter. So what I decided to do is, my mum suggested this, to actually make my own hands in a mould. So there I did. And you know what the amazing thing was, is that when I tip it upside down, it actually made a heart-shaped look, and it's just, I'm sorry, it just I'm feeling really emotional. So I also bought myself a really it's a modern design of the old-fashioned crochet hooks. It's so tiny, and so are these little hooks that I don't know if I can actually see it normally. So I've actually bought myself a special magnifying glass. If I can just bring that over so you can actually have a, can we focus on that? I'm gonna have to practice with that, get that in the right angle so you can actually see that. But there you can see a beautiful hook and the little tiny things there. And I also ordered myself a little keyring, which is underneath the magnifying glass. Can you see that? It's a lucky sixpence, and on the back of it I had an engraving which says oh sorry, condensation and everything on that. So I crocheted my way, I don't know if we can get to see that, I crocheted my way to 100k, and that, my hook will actually stand on my little model of my hands that I've made, and potentially also hang up the little keyring on there, but I might actually take the keyring out with me. So I just want to say just thank you, just thank you so much to everybody. I really appreciate it, and I'll see if I can do a nice photo of the actual award. I'm just going to bring my box back again. It's honestly I'm just like, yeah, okay, thank you. Sorry, bye.